Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to use the Sandisk Memory Zone app. First, download and install the Sandisk Memory Zone app from the Google Play Store on your Android device. Now open the app and allow the required permissions so it can access your photos, videos, documents, and other files. Then sign in or continue as a guest if prompted. After that, the app will scan your device and display an overview of your storage usage. Here you can see how much storage is being used by photos, videos, apps, documents, and other files. Now tap on any category to view the files stored in that section. Then browse through your files and select the items you want to manage. After that, you can move, copy, delete, rename, or organize your files directly from the app. Next, if you have a Sandisk USB flash drive connected to your device, the app will automatically detect it. Here you can transfer photos, videos, music, and documents between your phone and the Sandisk drive. Simply select the files you want to transfer and tap Move or Copy. Then choose the destination folder on your device or Sandisk drive. After that, wait for the transfer process to complete. You can also use the backup feature to automatically back up your photos, videos, contacts, and files. Go to the backup section and select the content you want to back up. Then choose the backup location and start the backup process. Next, use the cleanup feature to free up storage space on your device. The app can help you find duplicate files, large files, old downloads, and unnecessary items that can be removed. Review the suggested files and delete the ones you no longer need. After that, you can use the app to browse and manage files stored on your phone, micro SD card, cloud accounts, and Sandisk storage devices all in one place. Once you're finished, your files will be organized, backed up, and easier to manage. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.